High winds have caused disruption to power supplies and travel as they batter the country, with forecasters warning of more to come. In Scotland, motorists faced long delays as the Forth Road Bridge was closed after a lorry blew over at 2 a.m. on Wednesday. Police said the 54-year-old driver has been charged following the incident. He suffered minor injuries. The bridge is likely to remain closed for some time as high winds hamper recovery efforts. The Met Office has issued severe weather warnings of wind and snow for northern parts of the country on Wednesday and Thursday, and for snow on Friday and Saturday. A gust of 93 miles per hour was recorded at Height Bradfield in South Yorkshire and 82 miles per hour at Emley Moor in West Yorkshire, though the Met Office pointed out these were sites at high elevations. It said a gust of 77 miles per hour recorded in Tyree and 77 miles per hour at Port Ellen on Islay, both in the Hebrides, were more representative. Teams of engineers from Scottish and Southern Electricity Networks, SEN, have been working to restore power to about 600 properties in the north of Scotland. Northern Power Grid, which supplies power to homes in the northeast and Yorkshire, said it had 545 customers without power on Wednesday morning. West Yorkshire Fire and Rescue Service, WIFES, received 32 calls between 3 a.m. and 9:30 am on Wednesday relating to the windy conditions and potentially dangerous structures. One call was to a tree which had fallen through the roof of a bungalow in Birkenshaw, though no one was inside at the time. They have also dealt with several loose trampolines and potentially dangerous structures. Northumbria Police said trees and walls had come down overnight, with one street in Newcastle city centre closed because of wind damage. West Yorkshire Police said there had been several road closures because of fallen trees. In Scotland, ferry operator Caledonian McBrain warned of heavy disruptions across the network, with some sailings cancelled for the rest of the day. It is hoped the Forth Road Bridge will be able to reopen to traffic with some restrictions later on Wednesday. The overturned HGV needs to be removed from the bridge in a complex operation before a detailed damage assessment can take place. Commenting on the incident, Scottish Transport Minister Humza Yousaf said, "Once again the engineers and Forth Road Bridge team find themselves in the spotlight, and I am hopeful they will be able to get the bridge reopened to traffic as soon as possible, albeit with restrictions in both directions likely." Forecasters warned the severe weather is likely to continue, with Met Office yellow be aware warnings in place for much of the country until Saturday. Scotland Transurf said it will be working around the clock with 22 spreaders and 7 patrol vehicles treating, ploughing and monitoring routes to keep southwest Scotland on the move. The Energy Networks Association has reminded people they can call 105, the new, free national phone line, if the weather damages their local power network and affects their electricity supply.